It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be there forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began, just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be meek, look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine, will surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began, just start again. You won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you
malapit na akong matatapos mag-inom ng tea at ilalabas ko na rin yung isa kong aso. So yan, morning routine ko. Mag-exercise saglit, inom ng tea, tapos maglalabas ng aso.
Can you stay and I will grow? The hanging gardens of Babylon.
Lagay ko din ito sa leg ko guys. Lagyan ko din siya ng para sa cellphone para hindi siya learn. Oh, I will go. My dog. Polly! Polly! Polly the ball! Ay, napalak. Polly, lang. Let's go. Come on. Polly. Polly, let's go. Morning routine ko guys. Apat yan sila. Sa hapon, apat yan sila. Pinalakad ko silang ako. Kaya sabi ni Amo sa akin, Chit, hindi ka ba nahihirapan sa apat na aso? Kapag sabay-sabay mo silang binalakad, sabi ko, no ma'am. It's easy dyan ako sa may kalsada. Kasi dun sa may kalsada guys, medyo nailot jidalan na ako. Nailot jidalan ni Jai. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, doon lang sa may kalsada kasi maraming sasakyan. Maraming sasakyan na lumablabas. Kasi Jai ako. So, pagdating namin doon sa may papuntang gabi, so okay na rin kasi, come on, Polly. Come on. So, kapag yun, nakarating na kami doon sa may papuntang ship, pwede ko nang ibulos. Pwede ko nang ibulos si Ruby at saka si Louie. So, okay na to. Yun, nag-aalala lang sa akin sa ako sa you're so brave, Chit. Easy lang naman. Nag-worry siya guys na sabay-sabay kong ilakad yung apat na aso. Kasi mayroon akong isang ampon na aso. Yan, kukunin namin ni Polly. Punta kami doon sa bahay ng sipag ko. So, dadalhin ko siya sa bahay. Ang akala ko ayaw nilang mag-stay yung aso doon sa bahay. Pero sabi nila, kuhin mo dito yung aso. Kasi mahilig naman si babae ng aso. Kaya yan. So, pupunta kami ngayon doon sa baba para kunin yung isang aso. Para magiging apat na naman yan sila mamaya guys. Magiging apat yan sila guys. Akyat na naman kami dyan sa may hagdan kasi wala silang lift dito. Kaya yan. Aakyatin namin itong hagdan. So, ito yung trabaho ko every morning guys. Isang buwan. Isang buwan. Yes! Yes! Hi! So, ito yung pang-apat na aso ko, guys. Kunin ko siya. Maglalakad kami mamaya sa baba. So, ito ang bahay nila. So, tingnan natin kung anong ulam nila. Ako, saluyot nga nagado. And bangus. Ulam ko yan, guys. So, di nagunta ako dito sa bahay nila kuya. Tapos, yan, hinahatian niya ako sa ulam niya. So, this one, iuwi ko na naman yan, guys. Kakainin ko mamayang tanghali. Gulay na lang ang ulam ko. So, free na naman ako sa foodie. So, maglalakad na naman kami ng mga aso, guys. Ilagay ko muna yun sa may box. So, ito ang ginagawa ko. Kada umaga, guys. Pagpunta ko dito kay kuya, meron siyang ulam para sa akin. Yan o. So, yan. Ang maganda, guys, kapag may kapatid ka talaga dito sa malapit, no? Nalilibre ka sa ulam. So, laking tulong na. Sarap. Sarap yun. Ulam ko ito mamaya. May saluyot pala siya. Kuha ako ng konting saluyot. Saluyot, guys. Nagadunga saluyot ako. So, may ulam na naman ang chika.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back the days of everything we've been through.